day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this is the next case when I must buy it. And why? Because this is very unique and rare East German turntable. Tangential, as you could see at the beginning of this video, linear tracking, and this is very rare, produced in the East Germany in the second part of 80s. The production started around the year 1986 and lasts up to 1989, if I say it correctly. Unfortunately, the technical condition is not okay, because when I connect it into the electricity and when I press the nets or power button, the light is on, and the right part on the right buttons or sensors are working 33, 45, air. But on the left side, where is the start, stop, and the movement of the lift of tone arm, it doesn't work, unfortunately. As you could see at the beginning of the video, this is belt drive, and the belt is there and in not bad condition, but there's some technical problem, and I will not open it because I think that it can be for me too complicated. But the optical condition for its age looks pretty nice. Dust cover without any serious damages. Yes, here I can see some small scratches on the top, but nothing serious. Works. And also the SP adapter here on this place. The cartridge, as you could see also at the beginning of this video, CS29SD. So this is no magnetodynamic cartridge, this is crystallic cartridge, and I think that this type is the only one from RFT which was produced with built-in phono preamplifier, so you can connect it directly with this DIN5 connector into your amplifier in the line input. So I must say, for me it looks pretty nice, and I love such a devices. But unfortunately, I cannot show you how it works because it's not in working condition. So I must say I don't collect the RFT audio. So this turntable is available, it's for sale. If you are interested, write me in comments, or better write me per email. My email address you can find on my website, Angelicaaudio CZ. So dear friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos and if you would like to support my channel, you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.